In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note to a Tableau dashboard and then hide it all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started with the basic steps you need to follow. First, open up the Tableau public app on your computer. If you're unfamiliar with how to access this, simply look for the Tableau public icon and give it a click to launch the application. Once you have it open, the next step is to access your worksheet. Your workbook should have several worksheets, each representing different data sets or visualizations. Locate the one which you'd like to add a note to and open it. Have your worksheet ready? Great! Now let's move on to the dashboard area where the magic really happens. Navigate to your dashboard by selecting it from the list of available dashboards in your workbook. If you don't have a dashboard set up yet, you'll need to create one where you can consolidate various worksheets and other elements. Now, take a look at the left pane of your dashboard. This section contains something called Objects. This is where we can find all the tools necessary to customize our dashboard, including the ability to add notes. Locate these objects. You should see an array of options like text, charts, and images. Find the text object, which we'll be using to add your note. Next, grab the text object and drag it over to your dashboard. You have the freedom to position it wherever you feel it will be most effective. After you place the text object, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to type in whatever note you wish to include. You can also take this opportunity to customize the text if you'd like. Play around with the font size and color to make sure your note stands out just the way you want it to. Once you're satisfied with your note's appearance and content, click OK. Now, to make your note even more interactive, look for a drop-down arrow on the dashboard pane, usually found in the upper right or region where you placed your text. You'll need this to access additional settings. From this drop-down menu, select Add Show Hide button. What this does is create an interactive button that allows you the flexibility to hide or show your notes depending on the situation. This is particularly useful for presentations or when your dashboard gets too cluttered. After you select that setting, a button will appear next to your note. With this button, you have the power to manage the visibility of your notes seamlessly, making your Tableau dashboard both dynamic and streamlined. Now you're all set with a note that can be managed with ease. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can now add and manage notes in your Tableau dashboards confidently.